Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you this red monochromatic makeup look which is inspired by Hollywood's red carpet or Met Galas. And if you want to know how I got this look, it's very simple and easy. You can do it either for the daytime or nighttime. So if you want to know how I got this look, then please continue watching. So first, to start off with, I'm going to start with my eyeshadow, and again for that I'm so sorry guys for using the same palette over and over again, but I like this palette so much, and trust me, it has all the shades that you need for your eyeshadow look. So again I'm going to take my Nicka K New York palette with perfect 23 shades. So I'm going to grab this red eyeshadow from this one. So I'm going to grab this shade, and I'm not going to make it like very dark red eye, but I'm going to keep it very light, subtle, just so that you guys can see. Well, these shadows are not very pigmented, but it comes out really dark and pigmented when you actually apply it over the concealer. So while I was doing my normal base, I applied some concealer on my eyelid and I blended it out really nicely. So I'm directly going to go in and start with the red shadow. So let's just get started with that. So first I'm going to grab the red shade and start applying it in my crease, blending it outwards.
Up above, singing for the times we had, memories hot below. Roll the lightning till it hit the ground. Now angels ride to tell us that our love has died. I wish I could have known back when you were mine. But I was blinded by the
Just to lighten the red color in my crease, I'm going to use this peachy shadow, and I'm going to just blend it lightly in my inner corner and up to the mid part, and I'm just going to apply that in my crease.
back when you were mine.
So now I'm going to do the same thing on my other eye, and then I'm going to apply the liner and mascara, and then we'll move on to blush and lips. So I'll quickly do this eye and I'll be right back. So I'm done with the second eye as well. So now I'm going to take this eyeshadow palette. It's a quadrant palette from Avon Cosmetics, and the name is Fresh Cut Green Squad, and it has this very beautiful white shimmery shade. So I'm just going to take this either on my brush or on my fingertip, and I'm just going to apply it on my lid just to give a very nice glowy effect. So I'm taking some amount on my brush, and I'm just going to apply it on my lid.
Above, they're singing for the times we had, memories hot below. Roll the lightning till it hit the ground. Now angels ride to tell us that our love has died. I wish I could have known back when you were mine.
And now I'm going to apply the same white shadow in my inner corners of the eyes, just to make it feel a little opened up.
I was blinded by the night.
So now I'm taking the same red shadow which I applied on my eyelids. I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line as well.
Hoping that another you will come again. Waking up and realizing it's pretend. 'Cause all I have are dreams of you. Baby, you've been not enough to numb the pain. Tried it all, but I just feel the same. No hiding the truth. Yeah, it was love, I never had to tell you. Up above, they're singing for the times we had, memories hot below.
So now I'm going to apply my Lotus Color Stick Kajal, and I'm not going to make a wing. I'm just going to apply a very simple subtle eyeliner.
I wish I could have known back when you were mine. But I was blinded by the light.
And I'm going to apply that in my waterline as well.
Yeah, back when you were mine. Yeah, back when you were mine.
So applying the same white shiny shadow on under my brow. And so now I'm going to apply blush, and for the blush I'm going to apply my Miss Claire blush. I have this blush and it has some really nice tones which could actually match with my eyeshadows. So I have this shade right here. So I am planning on to apply this shade because it is matching a little bit with my eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply that.
Never heard of you were warm by all those words I couldn't say. It was love, I never had to tell you. Up above, they're singing for the times we had. Memories haunt below. Rode the lightning till it hit the ground. Now angels ride to tell us that our love has died. I wish I could have known back when you were mine.
So now moving on to mascara, I'm going to first curl my lashes. And I'm going to take my mascara. Well, this is also from Stars Cosmetics and it's a very nice waterproof mascara. And I'm going to apply that.
Mine. Hoping that another you will come again. Waking up and realizing it's pretend. 'Cause all I have are dreams of you. Baby, you've been not enough to numb the pain. Tried it all, but I just feel the same. No hiding the truth.
And so now moving to the lips, I'm going to use this Miss Claire lip liner. And it is in the shade 03 Orange. It is actually not orange, it's a bit on the red side. So I'm going to apply that so that my eyeshadow, blush and my lipstick matches and it looks really monochromatic. So I'm going to use my lip liner as my lipstick. So guys, this is the final result. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the bell post notifications so that you guys get updated every time I post a new video. And also don't forget to add me on all my social media. So links are always in the description. Don't forget to add me there as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
But I was young and didn't understand my heart. Spoke a tongue I never heard of. You were warm by all those words I